So as you know, when you left off last time, it was the roommate selection. Now, it's gonna get to the fun part. The fun part with DJ. If y'all didn't know who I was, same me. Different haircut, had to go waves on, as y'all can see. But when we left off, we selected the roommates. You see me and my boy E. Richie in the group with me. So when it comes to the new pages that you see pop up, this should be the first. And it just tell you all the available rooms for first-time freshmen. We got Council Hall, Foster Complex, Hopkins, Knight, Palmer, Terry, and Thigpen. With only Council, Knight, Palmer, and Thigpen being the female dorms, and the rest are male dorms. So I'm gonna click save and continue. Alright, so right now I'm in as a female, just looking at all the rooms that we have available. And if you remember from earlier, E. Richie is in the same group with me. So say me and my guy E. Richie want to stay in Thigpen. Knight. Okay. Alright, so this should pop up. You know, you can see what the rooms look like. Okay, cool. So I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna add this room to my cart. Once I do that, I'm gonna press save and continue. And you'll be able to see I can select the bed for me, which is gonna be bed 1, and select the bed for my roommate E. Richie, which is gonna be bed 2. And when I press assign beds, E. Richie should get the notification that I have assigned in the bed. And this is not just for night, this is for any dorm you and your roommates choose. Just make sure when you get on, you assign both of you all the bed. Save and continue. After that, you'll have your meal plan. I'm gonna press save and continue. And that should be the last part for you all. And then you just make your payments and then everything will be set in stone, and we'll see you in August. Thank you, Bulldogs.